Now children, today maths class, 6th class, chapter 1. Chapter 1. Our chapter name is Knowing Our Numbers. First chapter is Knowing Our Numbers. In this chapter, I am going exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.1, first bit. Which is the greatest and the smallest among the group of numbers? Here given a group of numbers. For example, first one, see here. Here given 4 numbers. This is a group of numbers. In this, we have to find out which is the greatest number and which is the smallest number. Here see, all are in which place? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So all numbers are in 10,000s place only. So we have to check which one is the greatest number and smallest number. Here see, first number is 15,432, second number is 15,892, third number 15,370, last number 15,524. 10,000s place overall same, 15,000, 15,000, 15,000, 15,000. So all numbers are same in 10,000s place. Now we have to check hundreds place. So here first number hundreds place is 4. Second one is 8 is in hundreds place. Third one 3 is in hundreds place, and next 5 is in hundreds place. So if you are looking hundreds place, which one is the greater number? 8. So here see, 15,892 is the greatest number of these numbers. So I am writing here 15,892. Now we have to find out smallest number. Again thousands place, 10,000s place are 15. Again we will check hundreds place, here 4, here 8, here 3 and here 5. Which is the smaller number in the hundreds place? 3 is the smallest number is in the hundreds place. So we have to write here smallest number 15,370. So like this you have to write remaining all numbers, which is the greatest number and which is the smallest number. I explained one, remaining 4 problems are there, you have to write at home. Next second bit. Second bit, write the numbers in ascending order. Which order? Ascending order. Ascending order means increasing order. Ascending order means increasing order. Ascending order means you have to write the numbers from smaller number to bigger number. Here 2 problems are there. One I will explain, remaining one you have to write. First one 375. Next second one 1,475. Next 15,951. Next 4,713. So you have to write here what? Ascending order. No, ascending order means small number to bigger number. In these 4 numbers, which one is the smallest number? See here, 375, 1,475, 15,951, 4,713. So which is the smallest number? First one, 375 is the smallest number, because here we have only hundreds place, here we have thousands place, here 10,000s place, here thousands place. Next smaller number is here 10,000s, thousands. In thousands place we will check means Here 4 is there, here 1 is there. So which is the smaller number? 1475 is the smallest number. Remaining smallest number 4713. Last one 15951. So in this way you have to write the ascending order. Okay na? Next, first bit, second bit completed. Now I am going to third bit. Children, everyone compulsory have to buy the books, then only you know the problems. Next bit, third bit. Third bit is descending order. Descending order. Descending order means decreasing. Decreasing means bigger number to smaller number. First two problems here given, one I will explain. First one, see 1876. Next this is the problem. Now you have to write descending order. See here, first number is in thousands place, only thousands. Next second number check, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Here 10,000s are there, ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000. Again here 10,000s, ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000. So these three numbers are in 10,000 places, and you have this only one number is there in the thousands place. Let us check which one is the bigger number. So 89,715, 45,321, 89,254. In these three numbers, which one is a bigger number? 89,000, 89,000. Both are same. Check hundreds place, 700. 7 is a bigger number than 2 now. So first 89,715 is the first bigger number. Next bigger number, 45,000 are there, here 89,000. So we know 89 is the bigger. Next number 89,254. Next third number is 45,321. Last remaining letter 1,876. Ascending order means small number to bigger number. Descending order means bigger number to smaller number. This is a bigger number 89,715, and next bigger number 89,254, and next bigger number 45,321. Next last number is 1,876. I written here bigger number to smaller number. Like this, one more problem is there. You have to do that problem in your home books. Now I completed third bit. Now I am going to fourth bit. Fourth bit, put symbols. Put symbol. So here this is the symbols, smaller symbol and greater symbol. So first number here given 3,854, 15,200. First you have to check in these two numbers. First you have to check first number. If first number is smaller than second number, you have to put smallest symbol, smaller symbol. Next if first number is bigger than second number, you have to put bigger than symbol. So first here see 3,854, 15,200 is there, two numbers. So which is this is a smaller number than this number, or this is a bigger number? Bigger number. This is a 3,000 is smaller than 15,000. So you have to keep smaller than symbol. Next second problem, 4,895. Next 4,864. Both are is in 4,000. Next hundreds numbers check. Hundreds place value 8. Tens place 9 and 6. Which is the bigger number? 9 is the bigger number. So you have to put greater than symbol. First number 4,895 is greater than 4,864. Remaining two more problems are there. You do it yourself. Next, fifth bit. Fifth bit, here given numbers, you have to write number names. Numbers given, you have to write number names. First one, 7, 2, 6, 4, 2. First read the number. How we can read? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. So 7 is in 10,000s place, 2 is in thousands place, 6 is in hundreds place, 4 is in tens place, 2 is in ones place. So 72,642. Now you have to write in a words. 72,000. 72,000, hundreds place 600. Thousands place over, hundreds place over. Now tens place. 4 is there, no? 4 tens, 40. 40, ones place 2. Now see, 72,642 is the number name of this number. Next, remaining problems you have to do yourself. Next, sixth bit, first one, given here number names, you have to find out number. 40,000, 270. So read the number 40,000. Thousands place 40,000. 200. Hundreds place 270. 70. 70. So 40,000 means 40,000. 40 is in thousands place only. No, check ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. 40,270. Ones place nothing is there, no. So I kept here 0. 70. So this is the sixth bit. And next seventh bit. Seventh bit, here given one, here given some digits 4, 0, 3, 7. In these digits you have to find out one greatest number and one smallest number by using these numbers, by using these digits. See, what is the greatest number by using this? Which number we will get greatest number? 4,000. No, 4,000 no. I kept here 7,430. Here 4037. By using these digits, we have to write one greatest number. 7,430. 7 thousands place. Next 4 is in hundreds place, 3 is in tens place, 0 is in ones place. Now again you have to write by using these digits smallest number. Smallest number is what we have to write? 3,000. 3,047. So this is the smallest number. Next, last eighth bit. Some questions are given, you have to find out the answer. First question, the smallest 4-digit number. Here asking smallest 4-digit number. What is the smallest 4-digit number? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Here I got 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. And next, this is a smaller one. Before this number, which number we will get? 999. So this is only 3 digits. So this is a 3-digit number. Again I will write after this number, which number we will get? 1001. But here 1000 only we want 4 digits and a small 4 digits smaller number. This is a bigger number. So we want only smaller number. So 1000 is the 4-digit smallest number. Next, B1. 4 digits greatest number. Big number is in 4 digits. See here 9,999. This is the greatest number. Before this number, which number we will get 9,998. So this is the smallest number. But we want here bigger number in 4 digits. 9999. Next C1, smallest 5 digit number. Here we written 4 digits smallest number. Again here we want smallest 5 digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5 digits we get, and this is the starting number of the 5 digits, that is 10,000. Next, biggest number, greatest number in 5 digits. 5 digits 99,999. Here we got 5 digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In these 5 digits, this is the bigger number, this is the greatest number in the 5 digit number. So this is our exercise in the first chapter, exercise 1.1. I explained all 8 bits. I explained some of the problems. Remaining which problems I left, you have to do yourself in your homework books. Tomorrow I will explain exercise 1.2.